Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting episode lined up for all you travel enthusiasts out there. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big adventure, this video is packed with tips and tricks to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Today, we're about to embark on a journey of minimalism, efficiency, and packing like a pro. We'll be sharing insights on how to pack light without compromising on the essentials. Imagine having everything you need, neatly organized and easy to carry. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's totally achievable, and we're here to show you how. That's right, we're diving into the essentials you really need for traveling light. From versatile clothing options to multi-purpose gadgets, we'll cover it all. We'll also discuss the importance of choosing the right travel gear that can make a huge difference in your overall experience. No more overpacking or last-minute panics about what to bring, because who wants to lug around a heavy suitcase, right? We've all been there, struggling with oversized luggage, feeling exhausted before the trip even begins. But with our tips, you can avoid all that hassle. We'll show you how to streamline your packing process and make your travels more enjoyable and stress-free. We're talking about maximizing experience, not baggage fees. Imagine exploring new destinations with ease, enjoying every moment without worrying about your luggage. Whether you're hiking through lush forests, strolling through vibrant city streets, or relaxing on a serene beach, the right packing strategy can enhance your travel experience. So buckle up, get your packing cubes ready, and let's get started. We'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the knowledge you need to pack like a pro. Stay tuned and let's make your next adventure the best one yet. Alright, let's talk backpacks. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long expedition, the right backpack can make all the difference. It's not just about carrying your stuff, it's about comfort, convenience, and reliability. This is your trusty sidekick, your home on the go. Imagine trekking through lush forests, climbing rugged mountains, or wandering through bustling city streets. Your backpack is there with you, holding everything you need and more. Don't skimp here. Invest in a quality backpack that's durable, weather-resistant, and ergonomically designed. Look for materials that can withstand the elements, zippers that won't fail you, and a design that distributes weight evenly across your shoulders and back. Trust me, your back will thank you later. Adjustable straps and padded back panels can make a world of difference, especially on those long hikes or extended travel days. It's all about finding that perfect fit. Look for compartments, secret pockets, and straps galore. These features help you stay organized and make it easy to access your gear when you need it. Think about how you'll use your backpack and what you'll be carrying. This isn't just a bag, it's a mobile command center for your adventures. From your water bottle to your camera, everything should have its place. A well-organized backpack can save you time and hassle, letting you focus on the journey ahead. Remember, we're going light, but that doesn't mean sacrificing organization. Pack smart, pack light, and pack right. Your backpack is more than just a container, it's a crucial part of your travel experience. Choose wisely and it will serve you well on countless adventures to come. Now let's talk about the art of packing light when it comes to clothes. Packing light isn't just about reducing the weight of your luggage, it's about embracing a lifestyle that values simplicity and functionality. Imagine the freedom of traveling without the burden of heavy bags, the ease of moving from one place to another without the hassle of dragging around a suitcase full of unnecessary items. It's about making thoughtful choices that enhance your travel experience. Think neutral colors, mix and match pieces, and layers. Neutral colors are your best friends because they can be easily combined to create multiple outfits. Mix and match pieces allow you to maximize your wardrobe's potential without needing a lot of items. Layers are essential because they let you adapt to different weather conditions without carrying bulky clothing. A well-chosen scarf, a versatile cardigan, or a lightweight jacket can make all the difference. A couple of basic tees, a versatile pair of pants that can be dressed up or down, a light jacket. Boom! These items are the foundation of a minimalist travel wardrobe. Basic tees are comfortable and can be worn in various settings. A versatile pair of pants can be dressed up with a nice shirt for a dinner out, or dressed down with a casual tee for a day of exploring. A light jacket is perfect for layering and can keep you warm without taking up much space. You've got a week's worth of outfits without breaking a sweat. By carefully selecting each piece, you ensure that everything in your bag serves a purpose and can be worn in multiple ways. This not only saves space but also reduces the time you spend deciding what to wear each day. Imagine waking up and knowing exactly what to put on because every item in your wardrobe works together seamlessly. And remember, less is more. The fewer items you bring, the more freedom you have to enjoy your journey. You won't be weighed down by excess baggage, and you'll have more room for souvenirs or other essentials you might pick up along the way. Plus, a minimalist approach to packing encourages you to be more mindful of your consumption and the impact it has on the environment. Embrace the freedom of a streamlined wardrobe. With fewer items to worry about, you can focus on the experiences and adventures that truly matter. You'll find that traveling light not only makes your trips more enjoyable, but also helps you appreciate the simplicity and beauty of life. So next time you pack, remember, it's not about how much you bring, but how thoughtfully you choose each item. Let's be real, no one needs a gallon of shampoo for a week-long trip. Invest in some travel-sized containers and downsize those toiletries. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, the holy trinity of travel essentials, all in miniature form. And don't forget the toothbrush and toothpaste. Remember, we're going for efficiency here, people. Chapter 4, Be Prepared, the Compact First Aid Kit. Look, accidents happen, blisters, headaches, unexpected paper cuts. It's the Murphy's Law of travel. That's why a compact first aid kit is your best friend. Band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, the essentials to keep you going. It's all about peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Chapter 5, the Digital Nomad Lightweight Laptop or Tablet. In today's connected world, staying digitally connected is key. But that doesn't mean lugging around a clunky laptop. Opt for a lightweight laptop or tablet that fits your needs. Answer emails, edit photos, or catch up on your favorite shows, all without weighing down your backpack. Chapter 6. Hydration is key, the reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're on the move. Ditch the single-use plastic bottles and pack a reusable water bottle. It's eco-friendly and saves you money in the long run. Plus, you can refill it anywhere, from airports to cafes. Stay hydrated and stay sustainable, my friends. Chapter 7, Power Up Anywhere, the Universal Travel Adapter. Different countries, different outlets. It's a recipe for charging frustration. That's where the Universal Travel Adapter comes in. This little lifesaver ensures you can power up your devices no matter where you are. No more searching for adapters in foreign convenience stores. Just plug in and go. Chapter 8, Never Run Out of Juice, the Portable Charger. We rely on our phones for everything these days. Navigation, communication, capturing those Instagram-worthy moments. But what happens when your battery dies in the middle of nowhere? Enter the portable charger, your digital lifeline. Keep it charged and keep your devices powered up no matter how long your adventures last. Chapter 9. Catch some zizzes, the travel pillow. Long flights, train rides, car trips, they can take a toll on your neck. That's where the trusty travel pillow comes in. It provides support and comfort, allowing you to catch some shut-eye on the go. Trust me, your neck will thank you later. Chapter 10. Capture the memories, the lightweight camera. We all want to document our travels, but that doesn't mean lugging around a bulky DSLR camera. Opt for a small, lightweight camera that fits in your pocket. From stunning landscapes to candid street scenes, capture those memories without weighing yourself down. And there you have it, folks. These are the essentials you really need for traveling light. Remember, packing light is all about maximizing your experiences and minimizing your baggage. It's about freedom, flexibility, and embracing the unexpected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.